Goldie Hawn and her son Oliver Hudson both embarked on acting careers at a similar age, with Goldie achieving Oscar recognition while Oliver found his niche in television. Their professional journeys underscore the strong generational influence within Hollywood. Transitioning to another family, Demi Moore's remarkable career took off in the 1980s, positioning her as one of the leading actresses of her time. In contrast, her son Patrick Schwarzenegger leans more toward modeling and business initiatives, illustrating the diverse routes to success within the entertainment industry. Meanwhile, Susan Sarandon established a significant presence in film by her mid-30s, while her son Jack Henry Robbins is making his mark as a director in the independent cinema scene. Their distinct paths highlight the vast array of opportunities available in the film industry. In the realm of versatility, Sally Field stands out with her ability to excel in both dramatic and comedic roles, solidifying her position as a Hollywood icon. Her advocacy work further magnifies her substantial influence beyond just acting. Peter Craig has also made impactful contributions to films like The Hunger Games and Top Gun: Maverick. His career trajectory, focusing on writing rather than acting, presents a unique contrast to that of his mother's. The video further explores other prominent Hollywood families, such as Meryl Streep and her son Henry, highlighting the diversity in their career choices. While Streep has found immense success in acting, her son's pursuits in music illustrate a different artistic endeavor. Shirley MacLaine's outstanding career and considerable net worth of $50 million underscore her remarkable contributions to Hollywood. Her accomplishments have left an enduring impact on the industry. Angelica Houston's diverse acting career includes memorable roles in films like The Addams Family, and her considerable net worth mirrors her extensive achievements. Meanwhile, her family members have opted for different artistic paths. Raquel Welch's iconic legacy and net worth of $40 million reflect her significant influence during the 60s and 70s. Her son Damon Welch is also striving to establish a footprint in the acting world. In the 1970s, Farrah Fawcett rose to fame through her role in Charlie's Angels, becoming a cultural icon known for her beauty and acting prowess. Her son Redmond O'Neal, meanwhile, has encountered personal struggles while pursuing a career in acting. Cher, a Grammy-winning singer and actress, captivated audiences in her early 20s with chart-topping hits and critically acclaimed films, showcasing her multifaceted talent. Her son Elijah Blue Allman has taken a different path, engaging in the music industry. Jessica Lange, celebrated for her performances in films like Tootsie, achieved notable success early in her career, leaving a lasting imprint on Hollywood. In a different creative sphere, her son Samuel Walker Shepherd has found his niche as a photographer and director. Sybil Shepherd gained recognition in her early 30s, winning a Golden Globe and building a successful career across film and television. Her son, Cyrus, is now making strides towards establishing his own professional identity. Carrie Fisher, famously known for her role as Princess Leia, achieved significant acclaim by her mid-20s, influencing aspiring actors like Mark Hamill. Continuing this legacy, her daughter, Billie Lourd, is making her own mark in the industry. Lastly, Jada Pinkett Smith experienced success in her 20s before expanding her influence into producing and music. In parallel, her son Jaden has made noteworthy contributions to both film and entrepreneurship.